9 Best Morning Habits to Support Fatty Liver Recovery. Did you know that fatty liver is the leading cause of chronic liver disease? In the United States alone, around 80 million people are affected by fatty liver. These staggering numbers highlight how common this silent health issue has become in our daily lives. Often, people only find out they have fatty liver when the symptoms have already progressed into something more serious. The good news? The liver has an incredible ability to regenerate. It can literally recover through simple habits, like adjusting your morning routine. And it doesn't have to be complicated. Something as straightforward as starting your day on the right foot can make a significant difference. Today, we're diving into the 9 key morning habits you can adopt to reverse fatty liver and improve your liver health. These simple habits can transform your day and help you maintain a healthier liver. First habit: start the day with proper hydration. The liver is one of the body's main detoxifying organs, and water is essential for optimizing this process. During sleep, the body loses fluids, which can overload the liver by morning. Drinking water right after waking up helps flush out toxins that have built up overnight. It's like giving your liver an initial boost, helping it work more efficiently throughout the day. A lot of people kick off their day with a cup of coffee before thinking about hydration. While coffee has its benefits, it can be dehydrating, especially when consumed on an empty stomach. This forces the liver to work even harder to metabolize caffeine and other substances. Starting with water first is a gentler way to prepare the liver for the day's journey. Adding lemon to your morning water can enhance the benefits. Lemon is rich in antioxidants and vitamin C, which help protect liver cells from oxidative damage. Plus, its mild acidity stimulates bile production, which is crucial for digesting fats. It's a simple yet highly effective solution to support liver health. Make it a habit to drink a large glass of water, 500 milliliters, right after waking up, before reaching for anything else. For an extra boost, squeeze half a lemon into the water. Keep a water bottle next to your bed as a reminder. This easy practice can make a huge difference in your liver health in the long run. 2. Prioritize a nutrient-rich breakfast. What you eat for breakfast can directly affect your liver health. Foods rich in fiber and antioxidants help reduce fat buildup in the liver, while lean proteins stabilize blood sugar levels. This stability is crucial for preventing insulin resistance, one of the main contributors to fatty liver. So, a balanced breakfast is your first line of defense against liver issues. Processed cereals, white bread, and fast food are common but harmful choices. These foods are high in sugar and bad fats, which not only overload the liver but also increase the risk of chronic inflammation. Skipping breakfast or replacing it with quick, unhealthy options might seem convenient, but it poses a big risk to your liver health. Replace ultra-processed foods with nutritious options like oatmeal with fruits, nuts, and seeds. Fruits like apples and berries are packed with antioxidants, while lean proteins like eggs or Greek yogurt help with cell regeneration. Fiber is key, as it helps remove toxins and regulate cholesterol, directly protecting the liver. Try starting your day with a nutrient-packed smoothie. Blend spinach, banana, berries, oatmeal, and a tablespoon of flax seeds. Add plant-based milk or water to adjust the texture. This simple, quick breakfast provides energy, regulates metabolism, and takes care of your liver first thing in the morning. 3. Morning movement. Light exercise. Morning movement is a powerful ally for liver health. Light exercise helps reduce insulin resistance, allowing the liver to metabolize fats more efficiently. In addition, physical activity activates the overall metabolism, speeding up calorie burning and reducing the risk of fat buildup in the liver. Just a few minutes of exercise can help your body start the day off on the right track. Physical activity improves blood flow to the liver, boosting the detoxification process. This is especially beneficial for those with fatty liver, as it helps reduce inflammation and stimulates cell regeneration. Studies show that even light exercises, like daily walks, can significantly lower liver fat markers. You don't need an intense workout routine. Simple movements, like stretching or a 10-minute walk, can make a big difference. Stretching your muscles upon waking up stimulates circulation and helps your body transition out of rest mode. The key is to choose something that fits your lifestyle to ensure consistency. Set a realistic goal of 10 to 15 minutes of physical activity first thing in the morning. If possible, do this outdoors to soak up the morning sun, which also helps regulate vitamin D levels. Use videos or fitness apps to create a simple, accessible routine that fits into your day. 4. Avoid hidden sugars and processed drinks. Excess sugar consumption is one of the biggest threats to liver health. The liver converts excess sugar into fat, leading to the buildup that defines fatty liver. Additionally, sugar promotes chronic inflammation, making it harder for liver cells to regenerate. Cutting back on sugar isn't just a healthy choice. It's a must for preserving liver health. Many people consume sugar without realizing it, especially in drinks like processed juices, sodas, and sweetened coffees. These products, often marketed as healthy or natural, can contain large amounts of hidden sugar. This puts stress on the liver first thing in the morning, overwhelming its ability to process and metabolize toxins. Focus on drinks that won't overload the liver. Black coffee, green tea, or fruit-infused water are excellent choices. Green tea, in particular, is rich in catechins, antioxidants that help reduce liver fat. If you prefer something sweet, use a piece of natural fruit as a sweetener instead of refined sugar. When buying processed drinks or foods, carefully check the labels. Opt for options with less than 5 g of sugar per serving. You can make your own flavored water by adding slices of lemon, cucumber, or mint leaves to a pitcher of water. Small swaps like these can make a huge difference for liver health over time. 5. Set a time for mindfulness or stress reduction. Chronic stress affects more than just the mind. It also directly impacts liver health. Increased levels of cortisol, the stress hormone, can lead to liver inflammation and make it harder to metabolize fats. Reducing stress isn't just a form of self-care, but a powerful way to protect liver health and prevent fatty liver. Incorporating simple mindfulness techniques like deep breathing, guided meditation, or yoga can work wonders for your health. These practices help reduce stress levels, balance the nervous system, and create a healthier internal environment for the liver. Even just 5 to 10 minutes a day can have a significant positive impact. The prevalence of chronic stress is high, especially in modern societies where a fast-paced lifestyle is the norm. This contributes to indirect liver problems, such as poor eating habits and lower motivation for physical activity. Setting aside a daily moment of calm is a simple yet powerful way to reverse this trend. Use apps like Calm or Headspace to help you establish a mindfulness routine. Start your day with a short meditation or breathing practice before diving into daily tasks. To make it easier, set aside a quiet space in your home and turn this moment into a non-negotiable habit. Both your liver and your mind will thank you. 6. Include natural probiotics or fermented foods. The connection between the gut and liver is key to understanding the importance of probiotics. When the gut is healthy, the liver is less overloaded with toxins and inflammation caused by harmful bacteria. Foods rich in probiotics help balance the gut microbiota, reducing systemic inflammation that can affect the liver. Fermented foods like natural yogurt, kefir, kimchi, and sauerkraut are excellent sources of probiotics. They provide beneficial bacteria that strengthen the gut barrier and promote more efficient digestion. Additionally, they're versatile and easy to integrate into any diet, especially at breakfast. By improving gut health, probiotics reduce the passage of toxins to the liver, easing its workload. Studies show that a balanced microbiota can even help reduce liver fat and prevent chronic liver diseases. Small daily portions of these foods can lead to significant long-term results. Add a spoonful of kefir or a serving of natural yogurt to your breakfast. Combine it with fruits and seeds for a quick and nutritious snack. If you prefer savory flavors, include small amounts of kimchi or sauerkraut as a side with meals. Consistency in consuming these foods will make a difference for your liver health. 7. Plan and prepare healthy meals for the day. Planning meals in the morning may seem like a small detail, but it has a huge impact on liver health. A busy day without planning often leads to poor food choices, like fast food or ultra-processed snacks. These foods, high in bad fats and sugars, overload the liver and make it harder for it to recover. Organizing yourself early in the day helps avoid this trap and keeps your diet on track. The fast-paced lifestyle causes many people to rely on ready-made meals, which harm the liver with excess salt, fat, and chemical additives. This routine is especially harmful for those already dealing with fatty liver. Spending just a few minutes in the morning to plan your meals can be key to breaking these unhealthy eating patterns. Prepare healthy, easy snacks like fresh fruits, mixed nuts, and cut vegetables. Plan a balanced lunch, focusing on lean proteins, fiber, and healthy fats. Use reusable containers to store individual portions, making it easy to transport and enjoy your meals throughout the day. Take 5 minutes in the morning to organize your meals. Set aside healthy snacks and create a simple menu for the day. Invest in practical, durable containers to streamline the process. This small change in your routine will not only protect your liver, but also improve your energy and overall well-being throughout the day. 8. Natural supplements with medical guidance. Certain natural supplements can be powerful allies in recovering from fatty liver. Milk thistle, for example, contains silymarin, a substance that protects and regenerates liver cells. Turmeric, with its active component curcumin, is anti-inflammatory and helps reduce liver fat. Omega-3, found in fish oil capsules, also reduces inflammation and improves liver fat levels. The supplement market is widely used, especially by those seeking natural alternatives to improve health. However, many people take supplements without proper guidance, which can be risky. While supplements can offer benefits, it's essential to understand their limitations and how to use them correctly to avoid overwhelming the liver. Not all supplements are suitable for everyone, and some can interact with medications or cause side effects. Before starting any supplementation regimen, it's crucial to consult a doctor or nutritionist. This ensures that you choose safe products that are appropriate for your specific needs. If you decide to take supplements, look for trusted brands with quality certifications and follow the recommended doses. Incorporate them into your morning routine as part of a healthy ritual. For example, pair a balanced breakfast with an omega-3 capsule or turmeric tea. Small steps, with medical supervision, can bring big benefits for your liver health. 9. Avoid unnecessary medication in the morning. The liver is primarily responsible for metabolizing medications and eliminating their byproducts from the body. When overloaded, whether by unnecessary medications or high doses, it can suffer damage over time. This process increases the risk of inflammation and contributes to fat buildup, worsening fatty liver. It's common for people to indiscriminately use pain relievers, anti-inflammatory drugs, and other over-the-counter medications, especially in the morning. Often, these substances are taken to address mild discomforts that could be managed naturally. This practice overloads the liver early in the day, reducing its efficiency for the rest of the time. Replace unnecessary medications with natural options whenever possible. Herbal teas like chamomile, peppermint, and ginger are great for relieving mild pain and digestive discomfort. Additionally, relaxation techniques such as stretching or warm compresses can help reduce tension and aches without the need for medication. Review all the medications you regularly use, including over-the-counter ones, with your doctor to ensure they are truly necessary. When experiencing mild discomfort, try a natural approach before turning to medications. This habit change can ease the strain on your liver and promote better overall health balance. Now that you know which morning habits are good for your liver, you might also be interested in learning which foods that are bad for your liver if you eat them after 6 p.m. Click on the video that's appearing. Stay informed, stay healthy,